You know this cycle. You spent weeks researching, watching reviews. You finally buy the perfect piece of gear, convinced it's the one. You learn it, make a few tracks, but eventually you'll hit a wall. A feature you wish you had, a workflow that just doesn't click, and so the cycle begins again. I was tired of waiting for a company to build the tool I had in my head. I realized we live in a new age. We don't need to wait anymore. Now, I'm not a professional Rust developer. I'm a musician with a very specific vision. So, for the past 3 weeks, I took on the role of director, and I found a new kind of coder. I directed the entire project, steering the features, pushing for performance, fact-checking every step. My coder was Gemini, and this is what we build. This is Cypher. Cypher is more than a looper. It's a testament to a new way of creating. Because I believe in this, the entire project is open source. Right now. You can download it for your PC or grab the image and build your own hardware station just like this one. Fork the code, talk to an AI, and add the features you want. Let's break the cycle of buying gear and start building it.